Hey guys, so today I'm going to be colouring my hair from this golden dirty blonde to hopefully a gorgeous green colour using Lunar Tides Cerulean C. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and let's get into it. So the things that you'll need to do this is obviously the hair colour of choice, which mine is Cerulean C, and it is looking very blue in the jar, which does concern me slightly, but because my hair is quite warm, hopefully that will bring it more to a greeny teal colour. Some Vaseline. I've got this just to put a barrier around my hairline so I don't end up looking like the Grinch. I've got some tint brushes, also by Lunar Tides. These are amazing. I get them out because so much packaging. These are great because they come in 3 different sizes. So you have a small, a medium and a large, which is brilliant to get into your hairline, your roots, all that jazz. So these are amazing. Got a comb just to be able to section and brush my hair. A pair of gloves from a bleach kit that I have. And I think that's it. I think that's everything. So we may as well dive on in. So just to get started, I am combing my hair. And I probably should shut the door to avoid Luna or Rocket coming in again. Just because I don't want my cats to be dyed blue. So I'm just going to put my hair behind my ears and grab a giant dollop of Vaseline. And I'm going to apply that all along my hairline and on my ears and absolutely everywhere I don't want to get hair dye. So I haven't coloured my hair with a fun colour in quite some time, and I haven't had my hair done, by myself. Haven't done my hair myself in quite a long time. I'm sure if the hairdresser who's been colouring my hair sees this video, they're going to be horrified. But hopefully it will fade somewhat close to this colour at some point. We will see. Okay, time for the gloves, which this packet's hard to open with Vaseline-y fingers. The gloves are on, it is time. What I'm going to do is try and do around my hairline with the brush, and then I'm probably just going to plonk it on because I don't have patience. Which, if you do know me, you know that's very true. So I'm just going to turn to my mirror, which is slightly to the side, to do this. Pray for me. I do have kitchen roll on standby, just in case. And I have got some fun blue colours from Hayley Williams' hair dye line, in case I don't have enough. So we have options if this tiny jar isn't going to do my full head. Get my little widow's peak. But yeah, I've missed the fun hair colour life. It's been a very long time. And I think because I'm starting to hit towards 30, which hopefully I don't look it, the panic about doing the things I want to do in life that might seem a bit reckless has started to creep in. Okay. Hairline is pretty much done. Just do the underside. Not that I can see, but hopefully I'm not just painting my neck. I think I've got all the way around. Hopefully I've got all the way around. What I'm going to do now is just use a little bit of kitchen paper towel I ripped off earlier and plonk my brush down. And we're just going to go in all hands blazing rather than guns and just start chucking it on. I really do hope I've got enough. I'm just going to massage that in. This is a colour I've always wanted to do, is like this emeraldy tealy green colour. This is looking really blue, but I've never had blue hair, at least not deliberately, so I've got pretty much exactly the right amount and enough that I'll be able to mix it in with conditioner to keep the colour up. So I am very pleased. Hopefully that is everything. I am going to leave it there. Okay, so this is on my head. I'm going to wait 35 minutes and I'll be back and I will show you the finished result. So I am done. I look like a completely different person, but in the best way possible. I'm super pleased with it. Like, it's such a beautiful colour. Even without having like bleached my hair or anything, it looks really, really good. There are some really cool tones throughout, so it's not just one block colour, which I really like. I feel like it's very e-girl, and I wanted blue hair and I've got it, so it's all fine and dandy. I didn't straighten my hair, so it's a bit frizzy, but I just want to keep the colour in as long as possible. So yeah, I am super pleased. If you like it, let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.